Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the demanding world of marine engineering, the thermal fluid heater, also known as a hot oil system, provides a highly efficient and low-pressure alternative to traditional steam boilers for heating fuel oil, cargo, and accommodation spaces. The fundamental working principle revolves around the closed-loop circulation of a specialized mineral or synthetic thermal oil that acts as the heat transfer medium. Unlike water, which requires high pressure to remain in a liquid state at high temperatures, thermal oil can be heated to over 200 degrees Celsius. While remaining at near atmospheric pressure, thermal oil significantly reduces the risk of explosions and the need for heavy pressure vessels. The system design begins with the heater unit, where a fuel burner fires into a combustion chamber surrounded by nested coils of steel tubing. As the thermal oil is pumped through these coils, it absorbs the radiant and convective heat from the flame, reaching the desired operational temperature. A centrifugal circulation pump keeps the oil moving at a constant velocity to prevent localized overheating or cracking of the fluid. This constant motion prevents the formation of carbon deposits inside the tubes. One of the most critical components of the system is the expansion tank, which is located at the highest point of the circuit. This tank allows for the natural thermal expansion of the oil as it heats up. The expansion tank provides a positive suction head for the circulation pumps, while also acting as a vent for any moisture or air trapped in the system. From the heater, the hot oil travels through a network of insulated pipes to various heat exchangers, such as fuel oil heaters for the main engine, or heating coils located inside the cargo tanks. After transferring its thermal energy to the secondary medium, the now cooler oil returns to the heater to be reheated and recirculated. Safety is paramount in hot oil systems, so the design includes multiple sensors to monitor for low flow, high temperature, and burner flame failure. These sensors ensure the system shuts down immediately if a dangerous condition is detected. Maintenance involves regular testing of the thermal fluid to check for viscosity changes, acidity, and flashpoint degradation, which are indicators that the oil is reaching the end of its service life. This system offers superior heat control and prevents the corrosion and scale issues commonly associated with steam systems, making it an ideal choice for modern tankers and specialized vessels. By maintaining a steady flow and ensuring the integrity of the circulation loop, marine engineers provide reliable and consistent heating. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.